subscribe to Einar's channel, and I tell you what, you'll be happy you did. Super duper, baby.
My name is Einar Guusk. I live in Estonia. I'm an aspiring filmmaker, and I've had it. I'm going to Hollywood. This is my documentary.
I'm a predator rapture, I am killing it.
It was pretty fucking stupid to me.
Like a drug, come on, gotta get your fix. Eat your high out, then see.
So this is where you get marijuana, weed. It's a green cross right there. SpongeBob.
Oh, this is cool. Look at those guys. They're tough shit. They're tough shit now, aren't they? Is that Will Smith's son?
Hollywood grass. Hollywood grass. Just smell this Hollywood grass. Oh, fuck. This is Vivid Entertainment. Porn studio. Imagine there's like at least 10 people fucking in there right now.
Agora quer ver aqui, ó.
I hope I won't fall down. No!